Academia online class grade 4 in which we have been doing unit number 1 whole number and separation. Today's topic is about exercise number 1C in which we have to do multiplication and division. So all the students open your book page number 17 and also pick your pencil. So today's topic is about question number 1 filling the blank, question number 2 straight division true and false, and question number 3 MCQ. Before to have to do this question, we have a short intro about multiplication, multiplicand, multiplier and products, and about that division, divisor, dividend and question or reminders. So let me start our short introduction about learning object is multiplication. Students, when you have find the numbers of values of the anything about 13 books, 1 books, like that the one book price is 5,000. So they said that find the 13 books value. So in which we have to find the numbers of value of the numbers of things. So it's mean that you have a multiplication. In a multiplication there are 3 subtopics about this are multiplicand, multiplier and products. Multiplicand is when that's the value is to multiply. वो numbers of multiply करते हैं. That's the numbers to be multiplied is called a multiplicand. Multiplier, that's a multiplicand is to be a multiplier, that's a number is known as a multiplier. वो number जिससे आप multiplicand से multiplicand को multiply करते हैं, that's be called a multiplier. And the result or answer of the multiplication is known as a product. Multiplicand, that's a numbers to multiply. Multiplicand is to be multiplied, that's number is called a multiplier. And the products, that's the result of this number of this multiplication is known as a product. Next one is a division. Students, you know that division is mean to find out and the things to be divided into. Some people they say that you have been divided 10 apples into a 5 people. So which method to have you do? The method to be have you to divide the thing you have to do division. So there are these 4 subtopics about division: dividend, divisor, reminder and question. Students, that's a number is to divide is called a dividend. That's a number is to divide is called a dividend. But the number dividend is to use to divide it, that number is called a divisor. जिसका मतलब कि dividend जिस number के साथ divide होता है उसको हम divisor बोलते हैं. Dividend, that's a number is divide. Number that we use to divide the dividend is called a divisor. The remaining value after division. The remaining value after division is called a remainder. And the answer of this division is called a question. So let me start our lecture. So all the students pick your pencil. Question number 1. Filling in the blank. This topic, this today lecture is also will multiplication and division, and according to this to give an answer. So in 3256 multiply 28. 3256 multiplied 28. 3256 is called the multiplicand. That's the numbers to multiply is called a multiplicand. Or 3256 is to multiply. That's a multiplier. So it means that 3256 is a multiplicand. The quantity by which the multiplicand is to be multiplied. वो नंबर जिससे multiplicand को हम multiply करते हैं. The quantity by which the multiplicand is to be multiplied is known as a multiplier. That number is used to multiply the multiplicand is known as a multiplier. The number which divides our dividend is known as a dividend. That's a number is divide, and a number that used to divide the dividend is known as a divisor. वो number जो dividend को divide करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. The number which divides our dividend, वो number जो dividend को divide करता है. The number which divides our dividend is known as a is called a divisor. Next they say that 8400 divided by 100, the answer is equal to 8400. Like that 0 cut by 2 0, and also to have you do division. So the answer is equal to 84. Last filling the blank. If the dividend is 348 and the divisor is 12, correct 30,000. If we divided 4,592 by 26, the remainder of this division is 6, 26, 16, 0. So the remainder is 16 because when you have divided, they are not be completely divided and the remainder is to be left. The left value is 16. So the remainder is 16, option C. Then we see that the number left in the end of a long division. Long division, if they have the short division and long division, the numbers to be left and the numbers not be completely divided, it means that the left value is known as the remainder. Last is if the cost of one book is 525 and to find out the cost of 13. So you how to will be solved. So students, in a addition you have to gather the value. In a subtraction you have left the find the difference of this value. Multiplication means to find the numbers of value of numbers of things. And division means to distribute of this thing. So students, when you have find out this value of numbers of things, you have to be a multiply. So all the students do your classwork complete.